Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you're all safe and good. Today we are going to see about lesson 5, where water comes from. So our topic, where water comes from. So last class itself we learned about water and also sources of water. Is it, children? Yes. The main sources of water is yes, rain. The main sources of water is rain. Okay. And then ponds, lakes, river and ocean. So in our earth there is lot of water. In our earth there is lot of water. So our earth, 3/4 part is covered by water. 3/4 part is covered by water and remaining part is land. Okay. But most of the water is in the ocean. Most of the water is in the ocean. Okay. So can we use the ocean water, children? No. So we cannot use the ocean water because it is salty. Then which water we can use? Yes, we can use water from ponds, lakes and river and also groundwater. So in this lesson we are going to see about water, sources of water, groundwater, how to clean water for homes, drinking water. You know about water. Water is very important for all living beings, and you know sources of water. The main sources of water is rain. And then ponds, lakes and river. So and then groundwater. Next, how to clean water for homes. So with the help of the chlorine powder and we clean the water. Next, we are going to see about the drinking water. Now let's see the lesson in detail, children.
Dear children, today we are going to see lesson 5, where water comes from. The topic is where water comes from. Children, in our earth there is a lot of water, but most of the water is in oceans. Children, you know what is the sources of water, and also you know about in our earth 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. 3/4 of the earth surface is covered with water. Now we see about the sources of water. Rain is the most important natural source of water on the earth. Rain is the most important natural sources of water on the earth. So the rainwater get collected in sea, ocean, rivers, lakes and ponds. See this picture, children. The main sources of water is rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, tanks and wells. Rain is the most important natural source of water. Lakes, ponds and rivers get water mainly from rain. The rivers flows into a sea or an ocean. The water of the ocean is salty. Children, you know the ocean of the water is salty. So we cannot use that water. Why we cannot use the ocean water? Because it is salty. So sea water is unfit for drinking, cooking, washing and agriculture because it is salty water. So we cannot use it. A part of the rainwater goes on the ground, so that is called groundwater. It is used by plants for their growth. So the groundwater is used by plants for their growth. So people draw out groundwater with the help of hand pumps. Some water goes into the soil, so this is called underground water. So we dig wells, tube well and use a hand pump to get the water. So in many villages in India, people draw out from wells, tube wells and hand pump. So we can able to draw out groundwater with the help of hand pump and tube wells. We also dig wells to make use of groundwater. Next one, we are going to see about clean water for homes. So before the filtration, the clean water passes through the filter, leaving all the insoluble impurities behind, and it collected into a jar kept below the funnel. So how we get the pure water? So first point, water is pumped out of a river or lakes or from under the ground. So it is then filtered into huge tank. So water is filtered with the help of the huge tank. After that, the chlorine is mixed because the chlorine is used to kill the germs. So filtering means taking out solid things mixed in water. So with the help of chlorine, the germs will be killed, and then so we will get the drinking water. At last, the germs-free water is then carried to our home by a big pipe. Next one, we are going to see about drinking water. So before we drinking the water, so the tap water sometimes has germs and other harmful things in it. So we want to boil the water. When water is boiled for about 20 minutes, the germs present in it are killed. So we must boil the water. Children, why we boil the water? The water that reaches our homes looks clean but has germs in it. These germs can cause diseases like jaundice and typhoid. Water should be kept in container. We must cover these container properly. This prevent germs and dust from entering in it. So we must boiling water in the simplest way of making water germ free. So this kills the germs in water. So only we can boil the water. So boiled water must be then stored in clean vessels and bottles. So after boiling the water, we can store the water in clean vessels and container. We can also clean water by using a water filter. In some houses, we get purified water when taps are connected to an electric water purifier. So first point, we must boil the water. So after boil the water, we must store drinking water in clean water bottles or utensils, and then we have the different types of filters, different kinds of filters to clean the clean water. We must store the drinking water in bottle and utensils covered to stop germs and dirt from getting into the water. So we must cover the bottles or utensils. Okay children, now where do we get water from? So we get water from rain, ponds, lakes, river and underground water. Is it? The main sources of water is rain. So why do we not use seawater? Because it is salty. So we cannot use the ocean water for use for drinking, for washing cloth and all. Is it? Now we move on to the exercise part. First one, match and complete the sentence. So first one, rainwater reaches underground. The correct answer is by soaking through the soil. Second one, hand pumps and tube wells are used, yes, to draw out groundwater. Third one, some rainwater is stored underground. Some rainwater is stored underground. Fourth one, taking out solid mixed in water. The answer is called filtering. Taking out solid mixed in water is called filtering. Last one, most of the water on the earth is in the ocean. Most of the water on the earth is in the ocean. Next one, number the steps in order. Number these steps in order. Now arrange the steps in order. So first point, water is pumped out of lakes and rivers or from under the ground. Second point, water is filtered. Third point, chlorine is added to water to kill the germs. So fourth point, water is carried to our homes by big pipes. Dear children, learn all the book exercise. Now you take your classwork note, fill the index page and take a new page. In first line you write lesson 5, where water comes from, and then leave 2 lines and you start Roman letter 1 new words. First one, oceans, OCEANS, oceans. Second one, salty, SALTY, salty. Third one, groundwater, GROUND, groundwater, TER, groundwater. Fourth one, hand pump, HAND, hand pump, PUMP, hand pump. Fifth one, utensils, UTENSILS, utensils. Sixth one, filter, FILTER, filter. Seventh one, strainer, STRAINER, strainer. Eighth one, germs, GERMS, germs. Ninth one, chlorine, CHLORINE, chlorine. Tenth one, boiling, BOILING, boiling. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. So first one, rain and snow are the main sources of water in nature. Dash and snow are the main sources of water in nature. Rain. Second one, river flow into a sea or an ocean, Third one, the water of the ocean is dash. Yes, it is salty. The water of the ocean is salty. Fourth one, the water stored underground is called dash. Yes, that is groundwater. The water stored underground is called groundwater. The next Roman letter, third Roman letter, answer the following. First one, why do we not use seawater? We do not use seawater because it is salty. We do not use seawater because it is salty. Second one, why do we get water from? We get water from rain, ponds, lakes, rivers and groundwater. Third question, what is the water stored underground water? The water stored underground is called groundwater. The water stored underground is called groundwater. Fourth one, why do people boil drinking water? Why do people boil drinking water? People boil the drinking water because it kills the germ, germs. Fifth question, why should we store drinking water in covered bottles and utensils? We store drinking water in covered bottles and utensils because they stop germs and dirt from getting into the water. Dear children, complete all your exercise in class or no, write neatly children, leave the line and write. First Roman letter if you have completed means leave 2 lines and then you start second Roman letter. So like that for each question you leave the line and write. And also you learn all the exercise children. Thank you.